Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to create the golden eclipse earrings. These earrings are made using these trendy circle eclipse pendants by Nunn Design with a Swarovski crystal drop pendant that dangles in the center, creating the perfect amount of movement for your earrings. To make these earrings, you're going to need 2 of these 16mm Erinite Shimmer Swarovski Crystal Teardrop pendants, 2 of these 30mm Pewter Circle Eclipse pendants by Nunn Design, 6 of the 4mm and 2 of the 6mm gold-plated base metal 20-gauge open jump rings, and then a pair of gold base metal French ear wires, 1 inch of gold base metal 2mm oval cable chain, chain nose pliers, and your wire cutters. You can find all of the links for these tools and materials in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to make these golden eclipse earrings, you first want to cut your chain into 2 1/4-inch lengths, or these are actually going to be 5 chain lengths long. So I have those 2 chain lengths there. And so you want to take your eclipse pendant, your chain nose pliers, and then one of the 4mm jump rings. And you just want to open up that jump ring. So you're going to kind of pull one away from you, one towards you. Push one away, pull one towards you, side, and then connect that. To the hole on the left, and then connect one of the end chain links, and just close that jump ring back up. Kind of want to wiggle it back and forth until you hear a little snap. Okay, and then just repeat that. The other side. Just open up that jump ring. One towards you, one side away. And just attach it to the other hole on the right. Okay, then add end chain link. And just close that back up. Okay, so there's those 2 attached. And now you just want to take that 3rd 4mm jump ring, open it up, and you want to attach that to the other ends of the chain links. Okay, and then close that up. Okay, so now you have your chain attached to your pendant. So from here we just want to add the Swarovski crystal pendant. So just open up your 6mm jump ring and attach your crystal. And you want, at least I want to use the side. There's a side that has the shimmer coating, and that's what I want in the front. So just make sure that's in the front. And then just slide that jump ring onto that 4mm jump ring. Close that up. Okay, so now all we need to do is add the ear wire. So you just want to open up the loop. And I just like to hold it kind of with my chain nose so I know it's all the right direction. And then just slide that on and then close it up. Okay, and there you have it. There's one earring, and then of course you just want to repeat that for the other earring. Now you have a trendy pair of earrings to wear for any occasion. You can find these golden eclipse earrings and many other designs at fusionbeads.com.